Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mark Genesis Pigabuyo from BPED 2A. I learned three things about how brain is special and useful to develop such a kid for a human being or a kid to become more useful or more important in our world. First I learned is about the neuroscience, which is it is allows the scientists to study the human brain, especially on the first 6 years of a child development. The second one I learned is about the function of brains, which it is receive information, utilize language, acts on the internal universe and processes. And I learned also the different function abilities of the brains or the brain, which is it is about the emotion, control automatic function, and control our immune system. And also I learned about the nervous system. There's a two kind of nervous system, which is the PNS or the peripheral nervous system and the CNS or the central nervous system. The third one I learned is about the lobes, about which is the first is about the frontal lobes. It is located at the front of the brain, and its work is about the control motor cortex, and it controls voluntary movements of the muscle. The second one is the parental lobes, which is located at the top of the brain, which is controls sematory sensory cortex, and it is his work is about the pressure, touch, and pain. The third one is the thermal lobes, which is located at the side part of the brain, which is on the auditory cortex, which is his work is about the memory, perceptions, emotion, and language. The last one and the last one is the occipital lobes, which is located at the back part of the head. It is on the visual cortex. All of these three I learned is I can use to identify how kids or a child develop and can be help them to be more developed enough and be a good person. And I learned also about how important the work of brain functions in the development of a child, and how very important our brain in our daily life or daily works.